she made the second floor her domain. She then would tell tales of footsteps on the attic stairs, walking up to closed bedroom door, and then back down. She recounted being awoken by someone grabbing her foot, as someone that was not there. When work was being done on the front room, my siblings and myself were downstairs and could hear someone upstairs whistling and hammering. Thinking that one of the workers was still upstairs late, we opened the doors to the second floor and walked up, still hearing hammering. We approached the bedroom door and opened it, and nothing, except papers sitting on a ladder, flew off into the air with no obvious source of wind or pressure to have created the ability to shift these papers. We ran downstairs and sat nervously in the kitchen until our parents came home.